Number 14. The exponential function g is defined by g of x is equal to 19 times a to the power x. Okay, so g of x is equal to 19 into a to the power x. Fine. Where a is a positive constant. If g of 3 is equal to 2375, so if I say f of x is equal to y, so in this case x is the input, that is the value of x, right? And whatever is this whole thing, that is actually the output. So if I see g of 3, that means I have to replace x with 3. So g of 3 is equal to 19 times a to the power 3. Now what is g of 3? It's 2375. 2375 is equal to 19 a to the power 3. What is the value of g of 4? Okay, so to find g of 4, we have to calculate a first. Now to find a, we have to divide 19 on both sides, because when we need to find the value of some variable, we first isolate it, right? So here 19 is multiplied with a to a cube. So first we will divide by 19 on both sides, and this 19 will be cancelled. So a cube, that is equal to 125. Now can I write 125 with a cube? Yes, 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So I can write it as 5 cube is equal to a cube, right? I'll do it with two methods so that you can understand. Okay, let me do them separately. So first method is like 5 cube is equal to a cube, and at both sides you have cube. So you can say a is equal to 5. Here it's correct, but sometimes it's not correct. So let's understand the second method also. A cube is equal to 125, right? So I need a, but I have a cube. So I'll multiply by power 1 by 3 on both sides. This is method 2. So 125 to the power 1 by 3. Okay. This 3 and 3 cancelled. So a is equal to, now I can write 125 as 5 cubed raised to the power 1 by 3. So this 3 and this 3 cancelled. A is equal to 5. This method is definitely working here, but maybe it will not work every single time. So we can also solve it by this method. So value of a is equal to 5. Okay. A is calculated. Now we will find out value of G4. Okay. So G4 is equal to, now that means we have to give input as 4 every single time wherever the x is. So a to the power 4. What is the value of a? That is 5 to the power 4. Now if I see the rule of exponents, 5 to the power 4 is actually 5 multiplied 4 times, right? Which is 11875. So that is the value of G4. Question is completed, but let me tell you one more concept. If you are multiplying a number many times, for example, it is 5 times 5 times 5. So I have multiplied 5 3 times, that is 5 to the power 3. This is an extra concept, right? We have already done the question, but this is just an extra concept. But if I am adding 5 3 times, then actually repeated addition is multiplication. So I have added 5 3 times, 5 3 times. So here it will be multiplied. 5 times 3, 15. But if you are multiplying 5 multiple times, how many times? That will be raised as a power. So here 5 is multiplied 3 times. So that will be written as 5 cube or 125. Here it is multiplied 4 times because it's 5 to the power 4. So I hope you get this concept also.